Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean loan words. So, let's start. First one is the Korean word for violin, and that is violin. Violin. Okay? Next is the Korean word for muffin, and that is muffin. Muffin. Okay, now let's see how to say Wi-Fi in Korean language, and that is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Okay, now comes the Korean word for belt, and that is belt. Belt. Now comes the Korean word for seesaw, and that is seesaw. Seesaw. Okay, next comes the Korean word for internet, and that is internet. Internet. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for blueberry, and that is blueberry. Blueberry. Now let's see the Korean word for cobra, and that is cobra. Cobra. Okay, now is the Korean word for t-shirt, and that is t-shirt. T-shirt. Now the last one is the Korean word for boomerang, and that is boomerang. Boomerang. So today we learned 10 very easy Korean loan words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.